Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 60, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of the data. Okay, it's really easy. All you need to do is to launch the settings and then keep scrolling down until you find backup or copy data, and now click on backup data. Okay, down below we have the backup details. We have photos and videos and other device data. You need to make sure that both things are turned on. If they are not, simply tap for example on photos and videos, and you need to enable the backup right in here where I'm pointing at. Then you can go back, and same thing with other device data. Make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you might have to click on clean up space or get storage. Also, this this backup is stored in the cloud of our Google account. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll have to sign in into the exact same Google account. Okay, and now to simply create a backup, go back to the main page and hit the button backup now. The whole process will begin. We need to keep waiting, and in here a circle has appeared. I should take a look, and now it's going to slowly fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. And now we just need to keep waiting. Okay, our data has been backed. We could see the information on the bottom of the screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.